Hello friends, how are you? I think everyone is very fine and waiting for with lot of confusion that where should we go for Kuex or no, what is this one? Okay, so I'm gonna give you an explanation and look how we are doing the trade. I'll share with you my profit history and everything, and also where we are doing, how we are getting the support and everything. Who is already joined with us, congratulations them. You guys know that what you are earning there, so I don't have to explain. I'm going to show you end of the video my withdrawal also as well. So I take here $1,000 to show how to trade. So in Kuex we do in future trading, where we do only in BTC and USDT. Okay, you will see on the top BTC and USDT. So I'll share with you how we're gonna do the trade. Okay, before that I'm gonna show you my real account for now. Okay, and I'll share you that what is my withdrawal. Okay, so let's go in my withdrawal first. I'll show you my latest withdrawal, which was in 12/11/23. That means 1 week ago. It was $259. Okay, then I had another withdrawal which was like 532. That one was 9/11. Okay, then I had before another withdrawal on 8. That day I had 225. Okay, then I had another withdrawal which is $190 also as well. That date was 6/11. So this month I had a lot of withdrawals already. Okay, so you can start with minimum deposit 500, or you can start with minimum deposit 1000, but at least 500 is good, because we have a ratio here. If you see, if I zoom it for you, you can see if the fund is 500, just look how we save the profits. So your first trading signal will be, when you will get the first signal, you will go for $5. Okay, if you win, then your profit will be $4. So when you are going for first signal is somehow it's lost, then you will go for second, where you will put $15. If you win, then you will recover your previous $5, and also you will get a $7 profit. Same if it's lost, then you will go for $45, $135, $300. If you go in fifth signal and you win in fifth signal, then you will recover all those loss, and also extra you will get $55 profit. So that's the thing, that's the above profit after deducting loss. Okay, so if you go with 500, that is the best things to earn actually. Okay, now come to the trading account again. So I'll show you that how we are getting supports and things. Okay, so we have a group, or I will add you after your real account verified and after your deposit. So let's go where I will show you some chat first. A trading group where we are sharing the signals. Our experts are sharing the signals. So here you get the signals like 9 o'clock, 9/7, make a call in market. So after that you can see that everyone is doing deposit, everyone is depositing, then they are waiting for the results. So at the 9 o'clock we see that our first signal is win. So everyone is sharing in their profit in that time, that how much they put and how much they earn, and everyone is following actually the plan. Okay, so if someone have more money, like suppose this one he put 1,000, maybe his main balance is 5,000 or something like that, so they can go like that, or 50,000 like that. Okay, so like he put 1,000, so he get a $900 profit. So if we go for this like that, okay, like they will give a timing that calling this time, and it will be like, then you will do, suppose like someone say that the call, and it should be like right now it's 23/37, right? So let's go, we'll do a signals in there. So suppose here now we get a signal, we're gonna push it. So if my deposit is 1,000 minimum, so as per plan I'm gonna put first $10. So go for call. Okay, I'll do call. So I'll just take a close one, suppose this one. Okay, 23:39. I'll put my $10. Okay, so I'll do the call. So I already successfully already put the dollar in the market. So in 23:39 it will go automatically in the market. You can see, if you want to see the candle view, you can see from here. The video is longer, but it's giving you every detail, so better you don't skip it and you watch it carefully, that how it works. And also the main thing is, like, after you understand, directly contact with me. I'm gonna give you full support for it. Okay, so let's see, it's only 13 seconds. So you will see it will buy automatically, and it will sell also automatically. Okay, it will take the profit also automatically. So it's already 39. Okay, then let's go, let's see our money is already in market. Okay, the position is open here, so we can see now the candle view if you want. Let's go to see the candle view here. Okay, you can see the candle view from here. Okay, we went for call, but the market is going down, so that's why it's red. We should make it put. So all the signals will come from expertise, so you don't need to be worried because they will analyze the whole market, then they're gonna do the trading. So you are in safe hand, you are in safe side. Okay, we'll see 8 more seconds, so I believe I will lose in this one. Okay, so let's see. So the trade is done and you can see that I lose the 10. Okay, so again then they're gonna put the they're gonna put they will give second signal, third signal. That's how you're gonna follow. So I'll do in next, let's go for put. I'll make it 30 because every time it will multiply with 3, so I'll put this time. Okay, let's show it again. I made a position again, you can see here 23.41. I make it put. Okay, that's how you're gonna do the signal, that's how you're gonna do the trade. Okay, and who will join with us, of course they will get a good bonus in their deposit, and also you will get a free trading from our admin. So let's check it, only 5 seconds. So if you refresh it, you will see that our trade already in market. Okay, so the market is going down, we're waiting for like 41 seconds. Candle down, so market is going in down, so we make a good signal now, and look, so we get the profit. Done, our trade is finished. They have been profit of $26, right? So that's actually they are doing the trading, so that's the trading things. So when I put 30, I back up already my $10 which I lose and $16 profit. So that's how you're gonna do the trade. Okay, now I'll share something important to you. Directly link in there, you can find the link by written Kuex trading from here. You can see here, you can join here to see the everyday's observation. If you still in confused, you can see I'm sharing all the pictures and things, that how much we are getting profit every single day. You have to follow everything every single day. You have to follow. If you don't understand, ask us. You can text me in this one. You can see @legit_team0. You can text me in Telegram, but for sure when you will join with us, of course you will get a good profit. And if any questions, just text us in the comment section. That's how we are doing trading. I think nothing need to better to that's all you need to know. And the withdrawal, minimum withdrawal is a very good $20 you can withdraw in your wallet, and it's very fast to come your Binance. Okay, so that is, don't be late, because as much as you will be late, as much as you are losing the profit. Okay, so minimum, remember this one, the funds can be 500, 1000, 3000, 5000, as much as you can. Thank you so much.